today I'm gonna be taking you through how you can be able to export your chart to PDF from DeepSeek. So today's tutorial is going to be a very simple and then an easy one, and you can do this using both your Android or iOS device or even your PC. So without wasting much of your time, let me go ahead and then show you how everything works. Welcome back. So we are going to be utilizing two apps or two tools in this video, which the first one being this application over here called the Kiwi Browser. It is available for Android users, but I don't know if it is available on the iOS. But you can go to your Apple App Store and then search for any kind of browser that will allow you to use Google Chrome extensions, that will allow you to use extensions in the application. And then when you are done with that, you install the Kiwi Browser or the application that you want to use, which supports Chrome extensions. So once you open the Kiwi Browser, that is for Android users, and also this method is the same on PC or laptop, so you just have to follow everything that I'm going to do over here. So when you open the browser that is having extension feature in it, you log in your DeepSeek account in that browser, and then once you have the account login on the browser, I want you to go to a new tab and then search for the Google Chrome Web Store or Google Extension Store. But I believe, to make things simple for you, I'll be leaving the link to the extension that we are going to be using in this video in the video description, and then also the pinned comment section, and I'll be leaving the link to the Kiwi Browser application also in the video description and then the pinned comment section. But make sure to watch the video from the very beginning to the end before you go ahead and then try this out yourself. So when you visit the extension link in the description or the pinned comment section, you'll be redirected to this Google Chrome Web Store over here, and you get access to this extension here called the DeepSeek to PDF. So when you are new on the page, you see this button over here which is saying remove from Chrome. It will rather say add to Chrome. I want you to click on add to Chrome, and then it will take some time to download the extension and then add it into your browser. So when it is done downloading it, you go to the sidebar section of the browser over here, and then you see that it will add that extension to the sidebar for you over here to get access to. So once you are done installing your extension, go back to the DeepSeek chart, and then once you are in the DeepSeek chart, go back to the sidebar again and then scroll all the way down to the extension that you installed and then click on it. And then once you click on that, it will automatically read the chart that you are in. It will go through everything and then select all as a default. And then if you want to select specific ones out of it to be saved, you can just go ahead and then check and then uncheck the ones that you want and then the ones that you don't want. And then once you are done with everything, you click on the generate PDF button over here and then give it some time to download the PDF. And ours is done downloading, so let me give you a preview of how the downloaded PDF will look like. So you could see over here that it have downloaded the full conversation in the PDF for us. So this is how you can be able to download your conversations or chats from DeepSeek into your PDF for either references, or you hit a length limit in DeepSeek and then you later want to continue from where you left off. So thanks for watching the video. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe to the channel to support, and then I would really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up, and then share it with your friends and families. Thanks for watching again. Bye.